Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by rewriting or confirming the equation in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, because that gives you the slope and the y-intercept immediately. Plot the y-intercept at 0, b, so you have a fixed anchor. Once done, apply the slope m as rise over run from that anchor. For example, up 3 and right 2 for m equals 3/2. Make sure to use whole steps on the grid so your second point is precise and easy to connect. Now you continue by ensuring you have enough points to draw a reliable line. 2 points are minimal, but 3 improves accuracy. If you were given standard or point slope form, convert to slope-intercept or compute slope from 2 known points first. Then use the slope as rise over run repeatedly in both directions to create extra points with integer coordinates. Once you plot these points, visually confirm they line up straight. If they don't, recheck arithmetic or your interpreted slope. To finish, carefully draw a straight line through your plotted points and extend it to the edges of the grid so the trend is obvious. Label the line with its equation and mark at least one point you used for a quick check. Once done, test a third point by plugging its x into the equation to confirm the y value matches your plot. If something looks off, recompute the slope and ensure your grid scale and rise/run directions were applied correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.